Welcome to Men of the West, a podcast forged in the fire of history's defining moments, where we honor the valor, wisdom, and unyielding spirit of the great men who shaped our civilization. Here, we explore not only the thunder of battles, but also the pivotal events and timeless lessons that echo through the ages. With reverence, we stand in the shadow of our forebears, drawing from their triumphs and trials to lead ourselves into the future with courage and purpose. Today, we stand within the crumbling walls of the Alamo, where a band of heroes defied tyranny in a sacrifice that echoes through history. San Antonio, 1836. Dust swirls on the Texas plains. The Alamo, a weathered mission, stands defiant, its adobe walls cracked but proud. 200 men, Texians, Tejanos, frontiersmen, brace for battle. Their muskets gleam under torchlight. Their flag, tattered, snaps in the wind. Across the horizon, a shadow looms. Santa Anna's army, 2,000 strong, marches to crush their rebellion. His red flag of no quarter rises, a grim promise of death. William Travis, young and resolute, commands the garrison. His eyes burn with purpose, like Leonidas at Thermopylae. "We fight for liberty," he declares, his voice steady. Beside him, Davy Crockett, folk hero, grins, his rifle ready. Jim Bowie, fevered but fierce, grips his knife, unbound. Juan Seguín, a Tejano patriot, stands tall, proving freedom unites all. These men, diverse yet bound, are brothers in defiance. The siege begins. February 23rd. Cannonballs shatter adobe, dust choking the air. Santa Anna's troops encircle the mission, their banners a sea of menace. The defenders fire back, their shots a roar of resistance. Travis pens a letter, his quills scratching in candlelight.
To the people of Texas, I shall never surrender or retreat, victory or death.
His words, a cry across time, echo Leonidas' stand against Xerxes. The garrison cheers, their hearts ablaze. Days crawl by, supplies dwindle, hope fades. No aid comes, yet the defenders hold. Crockett, like Beowulf facing the dragon, leads a night raid. His men slip through shadows, striking Mexican lines, their blades flashing. Bowie, bedridden, fights his fever, his spirit like Horatius guarding Rome's bridge. Seguin scouts the plains, his loyalty unwavering. Susanna Dickinson, a civilian, watches, her heart heavy with dread. March 6th, pre-dawn. The air chills. Santa Anna's army surges, a tide of steel and fire. The Alamo trembles. Defenders stand at shattered walls, muskets blazing. Travis falls, sword raised, blood staining the stone. Crockett fights hand to hand, a lion in the fray, his legend growing. Bowie, on his sickbed, swings his knife, defiant to his last breath. The mission falls, silence descends. Only Susanna survives, her eyes bearing witness. The Alamo's ruins smolder, yet its fire burns on. Weeks later, at San Jacinto, Texian soldiers charge, shouting, "Remember the Alamo!" Santa Anna falters. Texas wins freedom. The defenders' sacrifice, like Marathon's heroes, sparks victory. Their names, Travis, Crockett, Bowie, Seguin, echo as beacons of liberty. Their stand a testament to the unyielding spirit of the West. The Alamo teaches us courage. Like Leonidas, the defenders faced impossible odds, yet stood firm. We too must hold our ground for what we believe. Sacrifice defines them. They gave all for freedom, a call to put others before self. Unity bound Texians and Tejanos, showing strength in shared purpose. In our divided world, we must unite for the greater good. Their defiance, a spark like Marathon, proves small acts can change history. Act boldly, men of the West, and leave a legacy of valor. As the Alamo's dust settles, its heroes stand eternal, their courage a beacon for all men of the West. Their sacrifice lights our path, urging us to live with purpose and defy tyranny in our time. Join us next time to honor those who forge history with valor, shaping a future worthy of their fire. Until then, carry their spirit in your heart